Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 1.1 in the chapter numbers. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Subdivision 1, the number of prime numbers between 11 and 60 is dash. The number of prime numbers between 11 and 60 is 12 prime numbers. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53 and 59. Subdivision 2. The numbers 29 and dash are twin primes. Observe here, 29 and 31 are twin primes. So the answer is 31. Subdivision 3. 3753 is divisible by 9 and hence divisible by dash. The number is divisible by 9. It also divisible by 3. So the answer is 3. Subdivision 4. The number of distinct prime factors of the smallest 4-digit number is dash. The answer is 2. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The factors of 1000 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 25, 100, 50, 100, 200, 250, 500 and 1000. Among these factors, 2 and 5 are prime numbers. So the answer is 2 and 5. Fifth question. The sum of distinct prime factors of 30 is dash. The factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Two, 3, 5 are prime numbers. The sum of these three prime factors 2, 3 and 5 equal to 10. So the answer is 10. Question number 2. Say true or false. Subdivision 1. The sum of any number of odd numbers is always even. False. The sum of any number of odd numbers is even or odd. So the statement is false. Every natural number is either prime or composite. Answer is false. Subdivision 3. If a number is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 3. Yes, the statement is true. Subdivision 4. 16,254 is divisible by each of 2, 3, 6 and 9. The answer is true. 16,254 is an even number. So it is divided by 2 and 6. And the last two digit, sum of the last two digit, that means 5, the sum of 5 and 4 equal to 9. So this number is divided by 9. if a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3 also. So the statement is true. Question number 5. The number of distinct prime factors of 105 is 3. The statement is true. One of the factor of 105 is 3. So 3 is a prime factor. Question number 3. Write the smallest and biggest two-digit prime number. Smallest two-digit prime number is 11 and biggest two-digit prime number is 99. Two-digit number starts from 11 to 99. So the smallest two-digit prime number is 11 and the biggest two-digit prime number is 97. Question number 4. Write the smallest and biggest three-digit composite number. Three-digit numbers starts from 100 to 100 and the last three-digit number is biggest three-digit number is 999. Smallest three-digit composite number is 100 and the biggest three-digit composite number is 999. Question number 5. The sum of any three odd natural number is odd. Justify this statement with an example. The statement is true. The sum of any three odd natural numbers produce an odd number. As we know that the sum of any three odd number is always an odd number. For example, 3, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Now we add these three numbers, that is 3 plus 7 plus 9, we get 19. 19 is an odd number. So the sum of any three odd natural numbers gives an odd number. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 1.1. Thank you.